tick, boom.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to What Up Clay, the channel. We're talking about all kinds of things, how to fix it, build it, maintain it, as well as product review. Today we're doing product review and finishing up my test on the Team Exalt Phoenix, the silver version. It's not the copper, it's not the gold, it's the silver. You probably seen my other video where I tuned it, took it apart, did all the measurements and stuff like that. In this video we're going to do the Jerry, slap it on the Jerry and see how it does under load and then compare with the other motors. So let's get into it and learn something. Alrighty, I have it all set up here. I have the Team Exalt over here on this side, the silver 17.5 on a 27 tooth pinion gear. I have the Surpass V6 on this side over here as the load motor. It is the Fat Boy 17.5. And with the 30 tooth pinion gear, the same pinion gear I use in all of them. So let's go ahead and run this, do the 20 second run. We'll check the current, we'll check the kV and the RPM, and then we'll check the temperature at the end. So here we go, 20 second run. RPM, 11 amps, and 2838 kV. All right. Looks like temperature-wise, I'm getting about 92 degrees. All right, I'll put those numbers in and then I'll show them at the end. All right, I got the 28 tooth pinion in here, and let's go ahead and get this started. 20 second run. Like 10.85 amp, 2825 kV. .6 degrees. All right, let's move on to the 29 tooth. All right, 29 tooth pinion is loaded. So get my stopwatch ready here. Okay. 20 seconds. Like 11 amps, 2838 kV. .105 degrees. All right, let's slap the 30 tooth on. Now I have the 30 tooth pinion gear in it, and let's go ahead and start this one. 20 seconds. $11.78, 2801 a kV. Temperature is 111. Now on to the 31 tooth. All right, 31 tooth in the hole. Here we go. amps, 2810 kV. Temperature is 110. All right, let's move on to the last one, 32. So the 32 tooth here is on tap. Let's go ahead and run the 20-second run. .9 current, 2785 kV. Temperature reading at 112.6. Okay, I know I said the 32 tooth was going to be the last one. However, I have a bonus section here. I have this 41 tooth pinion right here. I'm going to run this. I'm going to start running on all the motors now. Unfortunately, I didn't run on the two previous ones I did, but that's all right. From here on out, I'll use them. I'm running a 20-second run on this. I'll also run an auto test mode on this to see if it hesitates between the different acceleration processes. You'll know what I'm talking about once I kick this thing in. So, 41 tooth. Let's go ahead and hit the auto test to see what it can do. There you have it. 50.59 amps, 2652 kV. I didn't hear it hesitate at all throughout the variance in speeds. So that's really good. Let's go ahead and run the 20-second test and see what it does there. .5 amps, 2651 kV. Temperature 116 degrees. Got pretty warm. All right, let's go ahead and put the numbers in the machine, in the computer, and compare them all. All right, before I get into the numbers, I want to remind you all that what I always say is my disclaimer. There's thousands of racers out there, and due to there being thousands of racers, there's going to be thousands of different opinions on what these numbers here mean. If your opinion is different from mine, by all means, share it with us in the comment section down below, and share your knowledge with us. Help us out. But anyhow, here's my pick on this. So going through the numbers, The Team Exalt, the amp draw is really low. I mean, when you compare to these, like the Hobby Wing, it jumps up into the 13s and the 12s. The Tekin, it jumps into the 12s when you get up here to the 32 tooth. And then the temperatures you see here, the Tekin likes to run hot. The Hobby one's bad, but then you have the Exalt, which didn't break 112 until you got up here to the 42, but I didn't test these right here at the 42. So, if you also compare the numbers, if you look for the amp draw, which is about the same, here I have 1147. Here I have 1146 on the Hobby Wing, and here I have 1142 on the Tekin. The Tekin's at 21,113. The Hobby Wing has that 20,495. And then you have the Team Exalt at 21,873. But look at the temperature difference. 110 degrees versus 103 versus 116. So, what I would think of this one right here is the Team Exalt is going to be the faster motor. By looking at these numbers, it just looks like the Team Exalt is going to be overall the fastest motor out there between these three motors, because the amp draw is lower than the others and the temperatures are lower, which means you can up the teeth on it because it still has a lot of torque left. So you can up the teeth count on the pinion gear versus the others. I would say the Tekin would still be the fastest one for short technical courses, because it, by looking at these numbers here, it looks like it has more power down low, more torque down low. But yeah, that's my thoughts on these. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, to see if you could share with us. Anyhow, I hope this was helpful for you. It was helpful for me. I love looking at these numbers and differences and see how they all relate. If you liked it, like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, hit the like and subscribe button anyways, just so you can make fun of all my other videos. All right, everybody, you take care.